Hi, my name is Wong, and my company is called Woodwork Designs Hawaii. My daughter and I came from the island of Oahu, and our shop is located in Kahaluu. The Thunder Laser is so helpful for us because it just goes hand in hand in what we do. I mean, we do primarily woodworking, and just having that ability to be able to add to the projects instead of having to send it out to be personalized and lasered, it really gave us the opportunity to really see how we could incorporate it more into the business. Primarily, I thought it'd be something great for engraving, but I also found out that it would work really well for just making parts for other people, cutting them out, just personalizing gifts. We do a lot of PCS gifts for the military, so all those gifts go directly into the laser. Coming to the headquarters of Thunder Laser and seeing all the other craftsmen and company owners, for me, business is just more than just creating something. It's really about relationships and creating those relationships and just asking them questions about their business, just relating to them in the industry. It's been a fantastic time. The reason I want to come to this event is that we've had a Thunder Laser for the past 3 years, and just seeing that they put something out, a conference that we could come to and gather at the headquarters with other people in the industry, that I really want to get the best use out of the laser for us. You can look us up at woodworkdesignshawaii.com. Our Instagram handle is Lanikai Craftsman, and from there you can see in our bio the link to our website.